guys, welcome back to another video of the Diamond Creeper. Blake Cake, yeah. What the heck is going on? Big Finn? Yeah, you are Big Finn of a pig. Yeah. Look, I joined the noob army. How to do that? Just subscribe. Yes. Look, I even have my own son now for literally likes. And it also gave me a diamond right here. Yay, thank you. We're gonna be playing, try not to do not press the button. It's one of my favorite game, guys. I'm just making another video today about Ronald. Yeah, he is evil. Don't trust him. He has a hammer with blood on it now, instead of ketchup. That he's just mean. That I have a gun now. See? Oh my god! Someone's mouse is burning from hot sauce. Or run. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oof! Oh, you did oof! Oh my god, you are a survivor. Go in my mouth. I want to go in your mouth. I'm coming in your mouth. Guys, I'm a hacker. See? Ah! Oof! Yep, that's a oof. Kick my head because it's a volleyball. Oh no. Big Finn has got his fins sharper. I got it. I'm going in his mouth.
Why this one again?
Because I'm the king of noobs. I'm making this noob hungry so he can eat us. Yeah, so I'm actually doing this. You can blame it on me. Okay. There was just a farting noise right there. Did someone poop? Oh no! Oh wait, but I did go on there. You bro. I'm skinny. Look, I'm so skinny that you can break me in half. Oh no. Hey. Die. 18 edits to me. Oh no. Oh no, the Doges are eating people. Blake, the Doges are eating people. Subscribe to Blake Cake, by the way. Destroy them all. Destroy them all. Hey, stand on the button. It's a good idea. And stand on the button is a good thing, by the way, too. Because who would hit the button? You should stand on the button.
Random that on my shirt.
Told you.
Again. Really? Last second, bro.
Bruh, get off the.
Oh. I wish I had auto click right now.
Hey, I'm clicking because I'm on computer.
I'll get auto click out.
I'm gonna pull up a sign.
Here.
I just teleported over here. So I'm attacking.
I like dancing.
I like trains.
Okay, so
I'm broken.
I need to turn off shift lock.
I'm broken.
Move that out of the way. Unacceptable character, nice. Okay, so I have the auto clicker ready.
Okay.
Dang it, I'm not even in this. Maybe my arm is. Nope. That guy just bombed the photo.
You got these things. I need to kill myself.
Platform,
I need to kill myself. Wanna know why? So my guy doesn't be a banana.
Oh, I hit it. Oh, let's go. Oh! There's a seeker.
Mario.
Okay. Banana person.
Banana
I'm
sin.
just gonna hide in here. Oh, how fast can I? Finally, fastest. Ah, of course. Pico. Oh! Dang it, they have a speed coil. Why do too?
Yeah, but we all forgot.
I'm auto-clicking. I was auto-clicking and I didn't get it.
No.
Oh, be a good thing to use auto-click with. Oh my. Okay, I need to turn off shift lock.
Like I got blown off. I'm bad at the blowing time. I'm really bad at it. Guys, everybody do this. I love don't press the button.
I have the auto-click on.
Hey, do you have the sign? If you do,
I still have it on.
dab. Oh no. Okay. I have a gun. Yeah?
Look how fast I'm equipping my speed coil.
Look how much I'm doing. I'm standing on here again. Okay, I trust this.
I have 490 points. Oh, that's just great. Wow. I died. Oh.
I'm going in blue. Green was the only one that just fell down. I clicked. Oh, let me get it.
No.
Is that egg? Let's break it in half instead. I want that egg. Hey, give me.
Score.
All right, let him do it. Let him do it.
Yeah, except I'm gonna block it.
Oh, you're pretty smart. Big brain.
Yes, no one scored. Alright, I'll turn on auto-click. Alright, I think I might have clipped it with my.
I think we both.
Oh.
Hey,
Oh.
come with me. Come with me. Baldi, come with me.
I can get him to fall off the map.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I was gonna sacrifice my life.
Okay, someone's in.
Oh, my other friend's in.
Alright.
He blew up.
I think I clipped it. Oh no. Oh.
Where did the firework came from? Was that the one that broke it? Burn yourself.
Aha.
I'm pressing the button.
I think I have fireworks.
It's the most beautiful thing I've seen in my life. It's a banana.
Just stand right here.
Just do a banana. Trivia question. Okay. What is it? Money back. I failed. No.
With chips left, I'm pretty good with these.
Come on. You could just give me free points. Because I am a YouTuber, by the way. There's only 2 people in the ring. Did they kill each other? Yay, they didn't win because they don't know how to kill people.
Okay, I have auto click.
Don't do this. One of my friends.
I literally have auto click. I think it's running.
Yes. If we're in 200s,
669 times. the
if
power of
you
auto
didn't know, I actually had output too. Bruh.
power.
How does my friend have it? She never told
I
me.
have both equipments. What? I have the speed coil and the silver clips. What's happening? I have both the speed coil and the silver clips. I have like both equipped. If I die with the speed coil clipped. Oh.
Bruh. Bruh. Ooh! Someone pushed me. Someone pushed me on the ground. Someone pushed me on the ground. So, if that person didn't push me, I would have won. Okay, let's go.
I love spending time with you. I need a hug.
No!
Time with you.
Same guy that forced me on.
I'm dead already. I'm bad at the dryer. Just dry your dry your socks. Dry your socks. Get Blake. Yeah, boy. Subscribe to Blake Cake and name, please. Neil and I'll be blessed because I'll be floating in the air, a Ludonami, like I did in a practice one.